Okay guys, so today I have been working on this treadmill for a while, and the problem was that its controller circuit was dead, and I tried to replace the mosfet here, and but still it was not working. This controller was dead basically. So what I had to do is I had assembled my own circuit here, and my own circuit I ordered this 700 watt circuit from AliExpress, but since my motor was rated at 1000 and 1200 watt, so it burned very easily. So I upgraded it with the components from this circuit. I put this capacitors. The original capacitor here was this, which was 150 microfarads. So I upgraded with the 470 microfarad capacitor here, and this MOSFET was IRFP 450. So this got burned immediately, it is shorted. So I removed it and upgraded it with the same which is installed in the original one, IRFP 460. So I installed a new IRFP 460 here, and now the machine is finally working. The circuit works like we have AC input here. This is the motor output, which is directly going into the motor connection here, and here we have a switch option, on off switch, 2 wires for on off switch and 3 wires for the potentiometer. So I connected the potentiometer in this old wire, which is going to the main control board. I installed the potentiometer over here to control it, and these 3 wires are connected to the existing wire that is going down, and these 2 wires are going to be, I connected it over here on the magnetic switch, which was controlled by this this magnet here. So unfortunately I breaked it. I will install a new one here, so it will start working, but meanwhile whole thing is working now, and if I put it on testing, it is working fine now, and the upgrade works like a charm here. The old components were very weak in this circuit, which I ordered from AliExpress. So this is how the things are working, and now I have to put everything on its place to make it work. Okay. Yeah, I've been working on it since 3 wire. Oh, my hand hurts. I mistakenly touched this. The capacitor is probably still charged, and maybe that's the reason why I got shock, but it's fine. It was a shock from the capacitor, not from the direct line. Maybe I should drain the current by rotating this. Oh, this is already clear. Not sure why it's still charged. Okay, so let me put everything back on its place, then I will show you how it works. Okay, now so I just temporarily fixed it. I will fix it later properly. And now I will connect the wire in the extension here. And you can see it's started working because I just rotated the switch. Now it's a stop, and this side, from this side it will work. I can just adjust the speed manually through this potentiometer. Previously, this board was like this, but this machine was being scrapped, but we finally saved it. Alright, thanks for watching. See, the circuit is on right now, the LED is lit up. This circuit is for is for the ramp. This is the ramp motor, but this circuit is very simple. We just have to power the ramp motor to lift it up. So it's the hard part is done. Now the easier part will be done soon. I need to buy a two-way switch for this, and then I will be able to fix it, and we'll update you guys about it.